Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about CIIC, ticket symbol TTCF. So CIIC is one of the leading plant-based frozen food companies in the US. And before we get into the video, please, if you're new to the channel, check out our content. And if you like the content, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and help the channel out. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. So please help us out. But yeah, let's just get into this video. So I recently just got invested into CIIC last week, so I was able to get 145 shares, I believe. So I went quite heavy on this stock, mainly because the price it's trading at now, which is below $16, which for me is a very attractive buying price. And short term, I can see this stock in up to a year, less than a year, even doubling and seeing the $30 cost space. And I don't like to make short predictions like this, but for this stock, the price it's trading at now, plus the potential in this company to grow, especially next year onwards, this stock is an easily $30 stock. But yeah, so let's just get into why I'm so bullish about this stock. So personally, I feel like this stock has been overlooked, and ever since Jeremy came out with a video about Beyond Meat, that has been the case for CIIC. It's been kind of overlooked because it is in the same sector. So Beyond Meat is one of its main competitors. But in this video, I'll just talk about why I still feel like CIIC will perform very well, even as at second best, and why this company has such a huge potential, growth potential for the future. But yeah, so firstly, let's just talk about the price action so far. So right now, CIIC is sitting at $15.89 after trading at a high of $20 at the start of the month, and ever since it's just been kind of going down steadily. And this is when people start to hear about Beyond Meat, and which is another plant-based produce company that's a lot bigger and a lot huger than CIIC at the moment. But even though Beyond Meat is a lot bigger, CIIC does have a lot of growing potential. So if you look at CIIC's last quarter, sales went up by 288% year over year, and revenue increased by 65% year over year. And when you compare this to Beyond Meat's revenue year over year, which only increased by 2.7%, which just shows that CIIC has so much more growing potential for the near future and long-term future. So one of the main catalysts as to why CIIC grew 65% in revenue is mainly due to the increase in products in stores. So CIIC had their products in 7% of Walmart. This has now been increased to 50%. So you'd find CIIC food items in 50% of Walmart, and this will eventually be 100%. So this is a company that has so much more growth potential, and even if it stays second best to Beyond Meat, it will still perform very, very well. Then on top of that, this company has such a nice financial spreadsheet with $95 million in cash and only $5 million in debt. And on top of that, they've got a great product base. So many people are going vegan, and the more vegan product that become available, the more people that will also keep going vegan. So this is such a huge market, and this is mainly due to the health consequences of eating animal, as well as the ethical impact on people and also the environmental impact. And especially now in today's modern age, 2020, whereby we're looking to better improve our environment, hence why you see all these EV companies blowing up, replacing diesel and petrol powered vehicles with EV vehicle to better the environment and the economy. That's what this company is going to do in terms of people going vegan and preserving the environment, preserving the animal. So that's why I believe that this company is going to be so huge in the future. Then yeah, so this company also has another huge growing potential as it plans to expand into the EU, and this will provide a company with so much growth because the EU is such a huge market, then if they were to get their products into 100% of the Walmart stores in the US, that's another growing potential. So currently this company has 2 factories, so one in the US and another one in Italy, and the Italian factory can easily supply the EU product to the UK, to other EU countries, and if not, they can even afford to build another factory in the EU with its 95 million in cash. So this is a company that I can definitely see them expanding to the EU, and this will give them so much growing potential, and we can see the share price even doubling. Then another exciting news, which is great for this company, is their plans to inject $2 billion into marketing next year, 2021, which means another major growth. So this is a company that's had very minimal to no marketing, but it's still doing very well, and this is mainly due to this product base, which lures customers itself. But imagine adding $2 billion into marketing to further get the product out there. This company, like I said, I keep saying this, will easily reach $30 next year. So much growing potential to expand in the EU, to expand in the US itself. $2 billion going into marketing. Like, this company is going to be so huge, and I'm very excited for the future, and I'm very bullish about this company. And normally I don't like making too short-term prediction. Like, I'm never this sure, but for TTCF, I'm very confident that this company is going to do great things in the future. So like I said, I've got 145 shares in TTCF. I'll probably pick up more shares next week and hopefully get that to 200 plus shares in this company. I've never actually went this heavy on a company before. I think the most shares I've had was probably like 120 on WORKHORSE, something like that. But yeah, so me going 200 shares into TTCF just so shows how bullish I am about this stock. But yeah, that's the end of the video. But as always, please, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy a stock because I said to buy the stock. Make sure to do your own research and do your own due diligence before investing your money into any stock. But yeah, please guys, like the video, check out our content, and subscribe down below for the latest videos, latest updates. We talk about EV stocks, we talk about retail stocks, we keep you up to date. WORKHORSE, HYLIION, Tesla, TTCF, Nordstrom. We talk about every stock. But yeah, so subscribe down below, follow the million-mile journey, and help us get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year. So we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.